Alright guys, so to embed your Twitter page, what you are going to do, the first thing you're going to need to do is make a new page. You go ahead and make a standard page as usual. Name it whatever your artist is. So for this one, we'll pretend that I'm doing Vincent van Gogh. Remember, I want no header so I can get a blank page. And then I'll go ahead and press done. If I want to, I can go ahead and put it underneath my class, or I can have it separate, but you're going to have this page later on for other stuff that you're going to add to it, to the artist, so that's why I want you to have a whole page just dedicated to your artist. Then we'll go into the build section, and then we can put that stuff there. But in order to do that, I need to get an embed code. So I know this isn't filled out, but pretend this is finished, right? The first thing you're going to do is go to File. You're going to Publish to the Web. Now there is one little problem with publishing to the web from your Sonoma Schools account. Basically, from your Sonoma Schools account, no one that's not outside of Sonoma can see it. So yeah, I can see it when you turn it in. All the rest of your classmates can see it, but your Weebly is public, right? So anyone who goes to your Weebly, it's going to be blank. So the workaround to that is you share it to a different personal account. If you have a personal Google account, share it to that, publish it from there, and then it will be public. Okay, and I'll kind of show you there when we go to that. So we publish to the web. We're just going to keep the size at medium. There are other choices of small, medium, and large, but I want to keep medium. And you'll see in here, this is the part where I was talking about. In your Sonoma account, this is just going to be checked, and you can't uncheck it. Like I tried to uncheck it with the Chromebook. It's like locked, so you can't uncheck that. Then you'll go ahead and you go to the embed and publish. It will say, are you sure you want to publish it to the web? You say yes, and then it will give you this code, right? So I want to go ahead and Control-C to copy that, and then I'm going to go back to my Weebly, and you'll notice in your build area there's a little box here that says embed code. You can drag and drop that in there. You do not want a text box. It has to be the embed code, otherwise it will not work. Then we'll go into here, we'll set that custom. I would say go ahead and center it, because you want that to be centered on the page, not to one side on the left or the right. And then you go to Edit, Custom HTML, and then you will Control-V to paste it in there. But the one last thing, that the most important thing to do is, if you notice here, there's a couple things inside the code. There's a W equals and there's a H equals. That is width equals and height equals. This width is too long. It's going to get cut off. So your magic number to change that to is 850. Alright? So you got basic coding that you just did. Alright? So you change that to 850, and then you should just be able to click off of here, and you'll see that your page is there. Alright? And it's nice and centered, and it's not cut off to the one side. Otherwise, you lose that third follower and a bunch of that background. Alright? So that is how you do it.